Hello world, good morning. Today's one idea is inspired by leadership studies and the idea that the mark of a good leader is not the ability to create followers, but the ability to create more leaders. I find this incredibly inspiring when I think about my own leadership roles. That it's not only about the skills that I develop in terms of holding a vision, making good decisions, understanding motivation and communication, but that the purpose of my role as a leader is not only to bring forward the mission that I have in my role, but in my interactions with others to figure out how to nurture the leadership abilities and skills in other people. And I hope this idea helps transform your own vision of what good leadership entails. If you're interested, you can find out more about my work as a leadership coach. I have a program that's called Leaders Creating Leaders that's all about helping entrepreneurs become better leaders and also help their teams and their communities become better leaders as well. It's all about growing yourself and growing others. So let me know what you think about this idea, and I will talk to you all soon. Bye, everybody. Thanks for joining us today. Please don't forget to subscribe, review, and share this show. If you'd like exclusive content and behind-the-scenes insight, for just $4 a month, you can support us at buymeacoffee.com. Now, go make it a great day.